What it do, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is Doing Stuff with Darnell. I am Darnell, and we are headed to the gym again. We're going to the gym, and this time we're breaking out the bands. If you know me, you know I love me some band workout. It's good to switch up your workouts. It's a little better on the joints and on the bones, and I love it. So I'm gonna show y'all my favorite band workouts. Once again, this is for, it's for anybody, but it's geared towards beginners, people that just picked up some bands, that you don't want to be in the crowded gyms, or you want to do a quick workout at home, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, it really don't matter, just get up and move. This is for you. All you need is, you need one of these, but I got two. One of them is about 30-pound resistance. It gets up to like 30-pound resistance. This one is regular, probably like 20, 25, but these two things together can give you one heck of a workout. And I'm gonna show y'all my favorite band workouts. Most of it's upper body stuff, so we hitting probably shoulders, triceps, biceps, and back. That's all you need. That's all we got. Take you a good, however long you want to take it, how many reps you want to take it. I'm gonna give you my personal workout plan with these things. So let's get to it. Enough talking, let's get to it. I'll catch y'all downstairs. Here we go. Bands make a dance. Bands make a dance. So I made it down here and I have my bands. Like I said before, I have two bands with me. One is about almost 30 pounds of resistance. It's the smallest one that I have. Well, it's not the smallest. I have 10 to 20, something like that. But this one is the second smallest. So when I say smallest, I mean like the weight of resistance. And this one is probably about, like I said, 10 to 20. It's pretty light. I use this for all the lighter stuff. I use this for all the heavier movements. So the first one I got for you today is pretty simple. It is what I like to call an archer pull. So everybody know what an archer is? Person in bow and arrow, just that. So I connect these, they hook, they come across, whatever. Most people have these bands, they have hooks on it. You can curl with it, whatever. I like to get creative, so hook them together and do some archer pull. So just like an archer, if you're shooting a bow and arrow, you want arm up, other arm engaged at the shoulder, hold it tight, and pull. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 on each arm. This is a shoulder workout. I like to do this to, activate my shoulders, engage. I'm kind of tall and my camera is a little high right now, but we're gonna do it this way. I'm just gonna squat a little bit, show you guys. You're not opening all the way. You're pulling back here. Just like if you're shooting a bow, you don't shoot a bow all the way back here. You get it, you pull it, let it go. Right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, after 3 sets of that, you should be feeling it. Your shoulders should be activated. Now that we are sticking on the shoulder thing, we're gonna do some resistance band upright. And if you ever did a dumbbell upright, you hold the dumbbells and you come here, elbows flared out, come up to your neck, chin area. So same thing this. You wanna get it? Step on it. Put your feet in between. Keep them stand shoulder width apart. I'm sorry you can't see this. Just come here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, ooh, 14, 15. Woo! Get the shoulders. You don't grow these shoulders by doing nothing. We all good. 3 sets. 3 sets of 15. The minimum I do with sets is 3. The max is probably 6. So everything I'm doing high volume rep stuff, especially with these, because the weights are small. So you can literally I do these sometimes 25 reps, because it's lightweight and it's less, it's less, it's not heavy on your joints or heavy on your bones. You can do this for a bunch of reps, but we're gonna keep it at 25. But if you wanna go up at home, please do so. This is something that you can do at home or in the gym. Right now I'm in my at-home gym, but if it was crowded in here, I can go in the corner with these bands, get a full workout in. But right now we on dumbbell up, resistant bands up. Right, here we go, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Woo. Now that we target the shoulders, it's time to move down. So we're gonna go from shoulders to biceps. Sounds good. Same band. But if you have a band like this, if you have resistant bands like this that have the handles on it, mine don't have the handles. Got them upstairs, but it's all good. I need you to step on it. I gotta come all the way back so you can see what I'm doing. Step on it. Boom. Boom. Find a good base. You get up closer and just hold them and do curls. All the way down, all the way down, all the way up. Squeeze at the top, squeeze. We're gonna do squeeze. We're gonna go 4 sets of 20. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Engage. 12, 13, 14. Squeeze those biceps. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. The more you engage and contract at the top, the better pump you'll get, the bigger arms you'll get. And you can get bigger arms with bands. You don't have to go heavy with curls. It's all about repetition, especially when using bands. All about repetition. I have some bands that's like 100-pound resistant. Never used them a day in my life. Makes no sense for me to use, but I'm gonna go to the second rep. You can also go ISOs. So once again, you want to step on it. So ISOs, I've showed you guys ISO. ISO, you hold 1, work the other, squeeze. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Switch. 1. Make sure you squeeze. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, one more, 12. There you go. Those are 2 great bicep exercises you can do with just this band. And if you can't already see it or can't tell, I'm feeling the pump just by that. It's amazing. And if you have one of the bands like that comes together already, all you gotta do is, when you get back, once again, step on it, shoulder width apart. You can go this grip, or you can go underneath. I like going over top because it feels different than overhand. But once again, just here. 2, 3. Make sure you squeeze. 4. Squeeze everything. We at the top of everything we squeeze. That's how you get that pump. That's how you get those gains. So, a couple more sets of those, and we are done. I'm gonna use this for the rest of my curls. So here we go. 25. Unless you're doing ISOs, then it's 15 each. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I'm glad that's over. I'm glad we can move from biceps because mine are so tight. But we're going from biceps. We're usually we'll go to triceps, but we're going back. I wanna be different. So we're gonna do tricep class. So once again, I need you to grab your band that comes loose, or if you have a broken band like that, mine's broke. I just tied it up, but I use it a lot. But yeah, if you have the bands with the hooks, I wish I had my hooks. I mean my handles. I don't know why I didn't. But we're gonna do rows, band rows. Just like regular rowing. You wanna step on it, get about shoulder width apart. The less slack is more resistance. Always remember that. So right now you want to get medium slack. Want to bend the back, hold. We're doing band, resisted band row holds, okay? So we're gonna go with 15, 4 sets of 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This is a good one. Targets the back, light on the back, not lifting heavy weights. If you have stronger bands, I have stronger bands than this. I have a black one that's like 50 pounds maybe. It's pretty tight. It's good for this one too. Once again, let's get into it. What did I say, 15? At least I think I did. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now we're gonna finish up with some tricep work. I'm gonna use this band and I'm gonna step on it. Don't know if you can see me. Hopefully you can. I'm gonna step on it. Once I step on it, I wish I had my camera person here, but it's okay. Once I step on it, remember, less slack, more resistance. So I'm gonna step on it where I'm comfortable with. Go one arm. Let me get down low so you can see. Go one arm, and I'm going here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. 4 sets of 10 each arm. You want to switch feet, switch arms. You want to come up this way. Boom. Keep that elbow up and out. Just work it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Some good tricep extension there. Targeting the tricep. You're getting right. I feel good. This is a workout you can do, like I said, anywhere. If you're in a hurry in the gym and it's crowded in there, you go find your corner, get you some bands, get to work. Anywhere. If you got 30 minutes at lunch and you're not hungry, but you want to get a workout in, anywhere. And you're gonna sweat a little. So you might not want to do it while you're at work, but if you're working from home, easy work. Like I said, 3 more sets. So let me get down low so you can see. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there you have it. These are my absolute favorite band workouts. I target all upper body for this one, so I kept it pretty simple. We hit every group. There's other stuff you can do with these bands, but I want to keep it simple. This is for beginners, people that, just getting in the gym, or, want to get back in the gym, or, just looking to stay active. Get you some bands. They're like a couple dollars on Amazon. You can get some for less than probably $20, less than $15 on Amazon. So yeah, get you some bands. Get that work in. It's important. Life is short, so you wanna go out in the best shape possible. You want people to look at you and be like, "Hey, that person's in the best shape that he can be in." Actually, forget other people. You wanna look in the mirror and say, "Hey, I'm in the best shape that I can be in." That's who you're doing it for. Don't do it for other people. Do it for yourself. But once again, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. if you want to check out my ab or back or core workout, those will be right here, back to back to back, so you can check them out. Thanks for watching. Like I said again, and get you some bands because they will make you dance.